Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download music from YouTube audio library. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google YouTube. Open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon in the top right and click on YouTube Studio. So once you are in YouTube Studio, you simply need to click on the library, audio library, and here you can find different songs, and if you want you can search or filter library. Some songs require attribution. If you want those songs, click on that, but some songs do not require attribution. Click on that and you can select by duration, by artist name, by mood, by genre, by track title. And how you can download, you can see that when you hover over here you can see download. Click on that and you can easily download song from here like this. So this is the process by which you can download music from YouTube audio library. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.